Yeah, once again, good morning, everyone. Here, today we are going to start the fifth unit. Here, before starting fifth unit, just I'm going to ask here everything is clear in the fourth unit, or still is there any doubts in the fourth unit as per the previous sessions? Is there any doubts or any clarifications you require? Please revert me back. Otherwise, we will start the fifth unit. Hello. Is there any doubts or clarification is required?
Yes, sir.
So, shall we start the fifth unit now?
Yes, sir.
Shall we? Yeah. Here, before starting the fifth unit, just I will show the syllabus. We'll check the syllabus. Is it visible? The screen is visible. Syllabus copy is visible now. Yeah. Now, if you observe the third unit, just the fourth unit, just I am reading graphs, graph implementation methods, graph traversal methods, and sorting, heap sort, external sort, that is more model for external sorting, that is two-way sorting and n-way sorting, and model sort. Right? All things are clear, right? We covered complete fourth unit, right? Along with some extra sorting techniques, that is insertion, bubble, and selection, because it is there in the laboratory. So that I covered those sorting techniques also. Clear this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Now coming to the fifth unit. Here today we are going to start fifth unit. Here this fifth unit contains pattern matching and tries. Pattern matching and tries. Here pattern matching algorithm. Here brute force, Bayer-Murray, Knuth-Morris-Pratt algorithm. This is the KMP algorithm shortcut. The two topics. One is pattern matching and another one is the tries. The tries is nothing but standard tries, compressed tries, and suffix tries. So three tries. Here, three pattern matching algorithms are there, and three tries are there. They're very simple. We can finish up within the given time. Don't worry, very easy also. This fifth unit is very small and very easy. If you follow my lecture, that is very easy. You can get more score from fifth unit also because it is completely purely mathematical and purely uh, uh, example explanation, so that there is no theory. Already you know the data structure always the example only we are going to do. Practically we can learn, so that we can understand very easily. If you follow my lecture, it is very easy, right? Here first of all we are going to discuss about the pattern matching. Here later we will go with the tries. The tries is advanced version of trees. Already we know tree, binary tree, types of binary trees, and binary search tree, AVL tree, red black tree, square tree. Here, all these trees you know. If the trice is the advanced version of the tree, I will show you at the time of discussion of trice. We have only three trice we will discuss. First of all, we are going to finish up with pattern matching algorithms. We have three pattern matching algorithms in your syllabus. That is brute force, Bayer-Murray, and Knuth-Morris-Pratt algorithm. Very easy. Follow my lecture, then you can understand very easily. Yeah. Now, before starting the things in your syllabus, first of all, we must know what is pattern matching. First of all, we must know in that pattern matching what is pattern. Can anyone tell what is a pattern? General words I am asking, what is a pattern? General meaning, general definition you can tell, general observation. So a lot of times we are going to use pattern term in so many situations. The English terminology you know very well, pattern. We are using in real life so many areas and so many situations. The pattern term. So that I am asking, what is the meaning of what is your observation? Pattern word in your real world. So you never heard the pattern word. You never used this
Sir,
word pattern.
pattern is a model, sir, or any design.
Yes. Yeah, that is your observation. Still, right. That answer is right. The situation to situation will be changed. That's what I'm asking. So he
which
observed the pattern. Tell me.
which has reputations of
Sorry?
reputations of the same design in one model.
Interpretation of plain design in one model. Okay. Yeah. Still, any observation pattern means? So this is actually this is very big topic. It is a researching topic actually. This pattern matching algorithms. So that's why you people are having only the basic information about pattern matching. So that is what I am asking generalized information. Exactly what you know. Still anyone? No observation pattern. Hello.
So a pattern is a series which is connected with each other, sir.
Yeah. Right. Almost. Sir, everything is right because here we are using patterns in real time in so many situations. That's why whatever the definition you are giving, it is right. Here the simple ways, a simple example I will tell you. For example, you wanted to purchase a mobile. If you wanted to purchase a mobile, just you are entering into the mobile shop. So that store is having lot of mobiles. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In that lot of mobiles, you are not purchasing all the mobiles, or you are not purchasing whatever that boy is going to store the first mobile. You are not going to purchase. Yes or no? Whenever you are going to enter into the mobile store, directly we are going to purchase, or we are going to search which mobile I need to purchase. Directly, whatever the mobile is there in the entrance, then we are going to directly purchase in that store.
No,
No.
sir, we will search the model.
Yeah. Sir, means if you are searching the model means, sir, based on any knowledge you are searching, or already you have some knowledge on that. Directly you are searching, directly you are going to search, or is there any uh, you people are having any idea or any knowledge before searching? Directly, without knowing any knowledge also you are searching. Is it possible?
No, sir.
Means you people are having some knowledge. Means here I wanted to purchase this much of memory, and this is the screen size, and this is the color, and this is the price, and some parameters. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what pattern. It means some of the properties already we are going to define. Here, based on those properties, just we are searching the mobile which is suitable to your requirements. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, that store is having lot of mobiles. and you are having some of the properties. Based on that property, the pattern. That pattern you are going to search where it is. If it is there, then you are going to purchase. If it is not there, then you are going to tell it is not there as per my requirements. Here, not only that, if you wanted to purchase a dress or maybe a t-shirt or maybe any trouser or any dress you wanted to purchase, then you if you are entering into a shop or maybe the store, then we are going to search, right? Yes or no? According to your requirements. Yes or no? Please respond quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So directly we cannot purchase whatever the store is having first dress. Then you are not selecting the dress. You are going to check as per your pattern. Yes or no? Maybe the color, maybe the design, maybe the model, maybe the cloth, or maybe the so many price or so many parameters will be included. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what pattern, generalized information I am telling. Not only in that way, uh, here for a simple example, that is a generalized example. Here, lot of research is going on actually in this. For example, if you wanted to verify something is happened, and in footage, CCTV footage, you are searching. Sir, every part is a one pattern. There may be the theft is happened. That may be the you want to identify that particular person. Then you are going to tell some features. That is a pattern. That pattern is going to search in that particular entire video. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello. Yes or no? Hello. Don't
Yes,
waste
sir.
my time. Yeah. Now, not only that, even every day you are using so many search engines, maybe the Google, maybe the Bing, maybe the etc. etc. Anything you want to search, just you are typing your keyword, maybe the pattern matching keyword or something you have to write. So based on that pattern, it is going to search a lot of information. It is going to provide a lot of source for you. That search engines also depending on your pattern matching algorithms only, basically. Understand? Whatever the keyword you are giving to the Google search, based on that only it is going to search that many sites. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what that's what I cannot justify pattern match is only one area. Pattern match is everywhere it is there. Every day research is going on. Every day the searching is required more faster with the help of our pattern. So that is what exactly pattern is going to work in our real life. And even we are using knowingly, unknowingly that pattern matching mechanism. Are you clear now? What is a pattern and what is a pattern matching? Everyone is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear? Yeah. Now this pattern matching is there in your syllabus, but they have not taken all these things. They have taken very little area. That is a only a text pattern they have taken in your syllabus. Means here very big text is there in the text or one paragraph is there. In the paragraph you need to find one word where it is. This is the text pattern matching. So you know the advanced programming nowadays, the famous one in machine learning, that is a what I can tell language processing, natural language processing, NLP. I think you people are heard this word NLP in Coursera or somewhere. NLP, Natural Processing Language. Natural Language Processing, NLP. Have you heard this word anytime? Hello? NLP in machine learning. Have you heard or not? Natural Language Processing. Do you know this word? NLP is one of the important area in machine learning. Yes, if you know, yes. Otherwise, you tell no, not a problem. Hello, is it audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. We don't know, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this
It is audible.
natural language processing is one of the important area in the machine learning. Here, machine learning is the main area. In that, so many areas are there. This natural language processing is nothing but whatever the language, whatever the natural language means, human being understandable language. How we are discussing, all these things are going to process with help of the natural language processing mechanism with machine learning. Nothing but the robots. They can understand our natural language. Our natural language. If you speak something, it is going to understand based on this machine learning mechanism. That's what it is very important. Machines are going to understand our language, our instructions. If you speak Telugu also means you have to develop NLP for Telugu language. You can like that different languages and communication things, everything you can develop and you can integrate with machine. Machine will work accordingly our instructions. So that is what NLP, natural language processing, is the role it is playing. Even the cars, the car without driver, directly the car itself it is going to drive. With help of natural language processing it will do. There are this so many things are included. Out of that, this natural language processing is also one of the important thing. Nowadays it is working on that. Even Google or so many companies are working for this driverless car. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, for that, the basic phenomena for this is our pattern matching. Means pattern means whatever the word I am asking, so based on this word, it is going to search. So this is what exactly the text processing is there in your syllabus for this pattern matching algorithms. Okay, so this is a broader area, but as for the syllabus, only whatever required, I am going to discuss it because it is advanced things. Already I told you. Now, the basic thing is the core level is your pattern matching is the core level. Your pattern matching on subject also there. That is in your fine layer. Now this is a core level. Just I am telling as per the syllabus. Okay. Now understood what is a pattern matching? Exactly what exactly you people are asking in your syllabus. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now already I told you. Yeah. Now, pattern matching. Today, we are going to discuss at least first algorithm. Very easy. Pattern matching. Yeah, pattern matching is a very important subject in which whether domain of text processing. Already I told you. Especially they are given for text processing. This pattern matching in our syllabus. Yeah, that is nothing but a string matching. Means we have a, big string like this. Now we are going to search this substring. It is there in this big string or not. If it is there, where it is. Understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understand? For example, I will show you. Here all editors are pattern matching. For example, I want to search data structure. Sure. Now, data, I want to search data. Just I am searching Control F and I am searching. Now, wherever the data is there, it is going to show. So this is what text means total data. It is going to find where is the data. So this is what exactly we are going to do with our pattern matching algorithms in your syllabus. Now clear what we are going to do now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now that is what it is going to search. So that pattern matching, how it will be checked. So generally already I told you that the total complete string is a text. I'm taking as an that is a string, a total complete string, total document. Maybe the MS Word, MS Excel, MS Word, MS Office is the one of the application of pattern matching and PDF also. Now here this is a text contains 0 to n minus 1 character. Total length of the string is n. Now pattern means what I want to search. Maybe data I want to search or data structure I want to search. That is also having some, it is also a string, but it is a substring. The size is 0 to m minus 1, just I am taking. The length of the substring is m, length of the string is n, length of the substring is m. Now we are going to find this pattern in this text. It is existed or not. If it is existed, where it is. If it is not existed, you can tell not existed. Clear? This is exactly, we are going to learn this pattern matching. All three algorithms are going to do this process only. Clear? Clear, our objective is clear now for this pattern matching. Our objective is to search or to find the pattern or the substring in the main string or text. Clear? Objective of this pattern, yeah, right. Now, some of the existing applications, the pattern matching technique in the text editors, already I told you, MS Office, or PDF, or even your Dev C++ also text editor. Whatever the program you type, you wanted to search something, you use Control F and you can search. That programming language editors, also the text editors, that is also application of pattern matching. Correct? Is this correct? Hello? Hello? Yeah. Next, search engines. Already I told you the Google and Bing, all these are the search engines. We can use those search engines. Those search engines also this pattern matching. Clear? Because whenever you want to search something, you can search in the Google or Bing or any search engine. It is going to show some related results. Based on that results, you are going to find exactly what exactly that meaning or everything. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now one more. So many applications are there. Okay. Only three I mentioned here. You can take any example, not a problem. Biological search, nothing but whenever you wanted to know any accident is happened or anything is happened, just they will take MRI or CT scans. The radiologist will be identify exactly where is the tumor, where is the problem in this brain, or maybe the maybe any fracture also. So that is a pattern. So how the leg shape is there, anything is going to misplace, then the pattern is missing. So based on this pattern missing, they will identify that particular pattern is not there. That's why here medical research also going on this by this pattern matching only. Understand? Like that, so many are there. So many areas we can use. All image processing techniques are based on the pattern matching only. Understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to the pattern matching algorithm, as per your syllabus, we have three algorithms in your syllabus. They mentioned brute force, Bayer-Murray, and Knuth-Morris-Pratt (KMP). Three algorithms they are given in your syllabus for pattern matching. Here today we are going to discuss about the first pattern matching algorithm, that is a brute force pattern matching algorithm. Yeah, before discussing this brute force pattern matching algorithm, just how the human being will do for pattern matching, just we will check this. For example, uh, this is my main string I am writing, CMR technical campus CSE department. Now I want to search CSE. This is my pattern. This is my pattern. This is my string or maybe the main text. Now I want to search this CSE in this pattern. Now tell me, sir, then as a human being, how we are going to search? As a human being, how we are going to search the CSE? Hello. CSE is there or not in CMR Technical Campus CSE department? CSE is there or not?
Is there, sir?
Yes, it is there. So because we are human being, at a time we are going to process complete data because the data is very small. Here the data is big, okay, maybe the 1 million lines. Now I wanted to find CSE is there or not. Is it possible with one observation?
No, sir.
Not possible. For example, complete document I given, it contains 1,000 pages. I want to find CSC. Now, only one look, you can identify that CSC is there in that document or not. Only with one observation, without searching, only with one observation of human being, they can find.
No, sir.
Yeah, this is the problem for the human being. So that we need a algorithm. That pattern matching algorithm we have. How the algorithms and machines are going to work. How machines will work? Tell me, anyone? How machine will work? Algorithm I will tell later. First of all, machine. Now you are the machine. If you are the machine, then tell me how it is going to search. This pattern is existed in this text or not? Tell me. Hello. If you are a machine, how this process will done? The search process will done.
By step process.
Yeah. What is that step by step? Yes, your process you are telling is right. Tell me. You share the things. Then only you can understand. You can explore yourself. Everyone. Without observation, you can't explore yourself. Step by step means. Hello. What is the meaning of step by step? Okay, tell me, anyone. If you are a machine, you must feel like a machine. And now I want to search this pattern in this given string. Sure, how you are going to search as a machine? Hello. Quickly. Oh, no one is responding. Sir, is it audible? My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just I'm asking a very simple thing. If you are a machine, here if you want to search the CSC in this MRT campus CSC department, how you are going to work, how you are going to search. As a machine, how you are going to search. Here, if the answer is wrong, also not a problem. Why you are worrying? Here, it is not an exam. Here, I need the response. I want to know how you are analyzing.
So
First,
first
we will take.
word to word, sir.
Yeah. First, it is going to search. Tell me
Word to
first.
word, sir.
Word to word. Means,
So if that letter is comparing with that, uh,
sorry, I'm not understanding your things. You are saying something that is maybe right, but tell me. Voice is not audible or something.
Sir, first we will take the input given by the user and start searching that word, comparing the given string. If it is there means, then we will display that output.
Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. Just a power gone my side. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. The college just power gone. I don't know why. Now, yeah. Now, as per your answer, first of all, we need to check first character of the pattern with first character of the text, correct? If it is matches, then check the second character of the pattern with second character of the text. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then, if it is not matching, then you need to check first character of the pattern with the second character of the text. Not matching, then move next. Not matching, then move next until it is going to move. Or once it is going to find first character, second character, third character, then you can decide this pattern is matched in this particular position of this text. Clear? This is the way the machines are going to do the searching the particular keyword in this particular text. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, the same way, the brute force pattern matching algorithm also works in the same way. Nothing is different. Just now, what I explained, the brute force pattern matching algorithm also follows same procedure. Means the first character of the pattern will check with the first character of the text. If it is matching, then second character of the pattern compare with the second character of the text. Like that, all characters are going to check parallelly. If anything is missing, then here the pattern is again the pattern is reinitiated. The first character is going to check with the second character of the text. Like that, until unless the pattern is going to found in this particular text, it is going to check. Otherwise, it will tell that pattern is not available in the given text. Clear? This is the brute force. Brute force also following same mechanism how human being will think. Generally, the same way the brute force pattern matching algorithm also works. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In this brute force pattern matching algorithm, the pattern P compares with text T consecutive values of I such that I ranges from to 0 to n minus 1. We already just I told you. N is the size of the text, M is the size of the pattern. Right? Very simple algorithm I have written here. This is the text and this is the pattern array. Here now initially you know already I told you. Here 0 is assigned with the I. I is nothing but your text indexing. Okay, 0 initially we have to assign and up to n minus n minus 1 you will need to do that because size of the pattern must be matched. Okay, how many characters are there? Then you know the j is nothing but the indexing of the pattern. You can assign with 0 initially. Both are zeros. If it is true, j less than m true and t I plus j equal to p of j if it is true, then j equal to j plus 1. J will be increment, shift to next position. Okay. If j equal to m, j equal to m, then the match is found, then written I. Otherwise, it will be written minus 1. So, like that, this algorithm will work. Here I will show you the example. Here now my text is Raman likes mango. My pattern is mango. Now the text size is how much? 17 character. Yes or no? Here this empty, the space also a character, you know very well. Yes or no? The pattern size is 5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I need to find this pattern in this text. Already I told you in your syllabus they given only for text processing. Okay, that's why I'm applying this pattern matching on text. Okay, please understand the things. Now initially, as per the discussion, we need to compare with the first character of the pattern with first character of the text. Now these two are matching. These two are matching.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. If it is not matching, then j will be incremented by 1. Okay. Now, sure, means I will be incremented by 1. Means, here now our pattern is checking with next character of the text. That is now 1 and 0. So this is j value, this is I value, please. Right. Now M is matching with A. M is matching with A.
No, sir.
No, sir.
If it is no, then I value will be incremented by 1. Means here I is moved to 2. The j is as it is in the 0 position only. So now, sorry, j is matching here, right? Now M is matching with M. It is matching or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then if it is matching, then what happened? Your I value will be, sorry, j value will be incremented. This is I, right? This j value will be incremented by 1. Now A matching
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
or not? It is matching. Then j value will be incremented by 1. Then matching,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Next, j will be incremented by 1. Now matching,
No, sir.
this is empty, this is j, not matching. Sir, if it is matching and later this also matching, now no need to search further. So this is the pattern is matched. But here the matching is not there. If the pattern is matching, then it will be backtrack of your j as well as I will be backtrack. Means here I will be backtrack here and only I will be incremented and j will be at 0 position only. Now what happened? J is 0 position, then I will be backtrack and incremented. Means j will be comes to third index. Sorry, I will be comes to third index. Understand?
Yes,
Because
sir.
all the characters in this pattern is not matched. Right. Now like that, it will be process. It will be check one by one. Now it is not matching. Again, it will be increased by I value. It is not matching. It is not matching. It is not matching. Like that, you do it in your notebook in the same way. Now at the time here it is matching. 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 Now match is found. Mango pattern is there in this particular given text. Are you clear this? Understand? There is no program for
Yes,
this.
sir.
Everyone is understood. Everyone is understood this. Hello? Have you understood this brute force pattern matching algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, sir, when you observe this brute force pattern matching algorithm, here already I told you, if you take this text size is n and this pattern size is m, here we are going to search all individual characters in the text with all characters in the m. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here, so that we are going to verify all the characters of n and all the characters of n. Means how many comparisons is required? N into m comparisons maximum. Yes or no? The worst case, we need to compare each and every character with all the characters of pattern or all the characters of pattern, each and every character of this text. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if it is matching, okay, it will, okay. That's why how many comparisons required? N into M comparisons are required in the worst case. So that the time complexity of this pattern matching algorithm, okay, brute force pattern matching algorithm, time complexity is big O of Mn or Nm. Understood? Worst case, because always we need to take worst case only. Like, that is what I have taken big O. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. For example, maybe my pattern is like this. RAM. My pattern is RAM. So how many comparisons are required to count this RAM? Hello? My pattern is RAM. Now I want to find RAM in this text. So how many comparisons are required?
N into M.
Not N into M. 1, 2,
3 comparisons.
only 3 comparisons. So this is the average case. But don't expect always my pattern must be in the start beginning of the string. Yes or no? Or middle of the string. Sometimes last of the string. Sometimes that string is not available. If I tell orange, my pattern. Then after comparison of all characters in this Raman likes mango, you are going to conclude this orange is not available in this particular given text. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that always you must consider only the worst case. That's why big O notation only you take it. For any time complexity representation, you must take the big O notation only. Worst case only you consider. If it is worst case, if you are considering, compulsory all the solution will come that. And that's why the worst case time complexity of this brute force pattern matching algorithm is n into m or mn. Okay, understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what exactly the brute force pattern matching algorithm. Please everyone try to understand this brute force mechanism. If you understood this brute force mechanism, then we can understand remaining Bayer-Murray and KMP algorithms very easily. And first of all, if you practice this brute force mechanism, you need to identify what are the drawbacks are there in this particular brute force pattern matching algorithm. You must tell in the next class what are the drawbacks are there in this brute force so that I can go with Bayer-Murray as well as KMP algorithm. Okay, so you must practice this. Then only you will understand this. Is it okay for you? Hello. Can you practice this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that I can go with the next algorithm. That is what in the next class I am expecting everyone has to understand what are the drawbacks of this brute force pattern matching algorithm. So then only I will go with the next two pattern matching. Very easy. You can practice that. Then easily you can identify drawbacks. Why? If you identify the drawback, then in which area why it is taking big O of mn, you tell me. Then I can continue further pattern matching algorithm. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So